Hi everyone, this is Sean Hayes with Hayes Attorney PLLC. We concentrate in three areas of the practice of law, that being wills and estates, family law, and business law. Today we're going to be talking about an introduction to the Motor Vehicle Repair Act in North Carolina. Actually, there in North Carolina, there's an entire chapter dedicated to repairs of motor vehicles. And this act applies to all motor vehicle repair shops in North Carolina. And the law requires, generally speaking, that if there's going to be a repair in a motor vehicle repair shop, a written estimate must be provided to the customer prior to the repair, and that estimate must provide certain criteria on each repair. And if there's going to be changes to the estimate of a certain amount, then that also has to be provided to the customer for each repair. In addition to the written estimate, an invoice must be provided to the customer upon completion, and that invoice must also meet certain minimum requirements. It also requires, under the Motor Vehicle Repair Act, for these individuals and shops to provide signs at their shop, and it requires certain information to be on those signs, and it also provides for many prohibited acts and for remedies in the event the act is violated in the state of North Carolina. So if you're a customer of a motor vehicle repair shop and you're having issues, or you're an actual shop and you want to make sure that you're in compliance with the Motor Vehicle Repair Act, please feel free to reach out to us. You can reach us by telephone to set up a time to come in, 336-633-4529. We also take appointments virtually as well as over the phone. You can also get more information at our website, hayesattorneync.com, or send us an email, office@hayesattorneync.com. Thank you.